Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I bring to you another quick, easy, elegant hairstyle on your natural hair. So I just want to tell you, make me your natural hair pluck whenever you want to do something in your hair you don't know what to do. Come to my channel and you will get inspired. So now let me tell you something about natural hair. It's not always easy. Look at what happened. I broke my comb. Wow. Yeah, that's how tough natural hair is. Stronger than the comb. Can you imagine? Okay, let's continue with this hairstyle. So this is a very quick, easy, simple hairstyle you can do on your hair. I just imagine how I wanted my hair to look, and then I separated it into sections, and I am going right ahead to just roll and pin. I just roll my hair down with the sections I have separated, and I just pin it down. So just wait for the result. Watch out to the end. You will see the result. You will be amazed by the result. Very simple, but it gets out so elegant. Seriously, it's so simple. It's just so amazing what you can do with your natural hair. Let me tell you about my journey. I started this journey not long ago, and when I started this journey, I didn't even know how long I would go with this natural hair. I didn't even know what I was doing. People were like, why did you cut your hair? I had my hair all relaxed, and I didn't like the way my hair looked because it was looking kind of scanty and I was losing hair so often. So I decided to cut it down and grow my hair natural with no relaxation products going on my hair anymore. So I started this journey, and here I am doing styles I could never do before. Like, how did I come across these styles? How did I come to know about this? How did I learn to do them by myself? So I just want to tell you, if I can do it, you too can do it. You just have to learn. It's very easy to learn. It's just so amazing how you can do whatever you put your mind to. Like, I mean, in some years back, I couldn't do this, but look at this. A girl is now like a pro, doing these things as easy, as simple as that. So I repeat it, if I can do it, you too can. So look at the results. Very simple, quick, easy to do, and you're good to go. Ready to go wherever you want to go. Hello there. What are you still waiting to subscribe to my YouTube channel? Please hit the subscribe button down below for more of these inspiring videos from me. And I'm so sure you like this video. So hit the like button below. Comment in the comment section whatever you liked about this video. And of course, you want to stick around to watch more of this confidence, this charisma. So hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.